Hi, my name is Ben Larson. I'm with Group 7, and we are working on the Castle Builder project, and I'll be discussing the risks that were associated with it. So, as we all know, there are many risks associated with any project, but we identified five major risks to us. The first one being communication. Uh, Not only communication among the team, but also among the sponsor. So miscommunication is one of the greatest risks, and that is because it can always be tied back to the root cause of almost any problem. When there's a lack of communication, it can lead to unclear requirements, redundant or duplicate code, poor quality. And there's almost any problem could always lead back to that. So in order to deal with this, we are using Slack uh, to communicate to each other. Discord, we're going to have weekly meetings with both the team and the sponsor. Sorry. And we have our Slack connected to all of our phones, so we are all aware of what's happening and in the conversation. Now, the other major issue is that we are an online group, so we're all spread out over like 4 different time zones, or maybe it's only 3. But that can make it difficult to line up our schedules. Everyone's got full-time jobs, everyone goes to bed at different times. So in order to fix this, we have a centralized calendar which has the work schedules of everybody or any other family issues that are scheduled to come up that people are aware of, kind of thing. And that way we can all know when someone is available and when we can reach out to them. Then when it comes to this particular project, there is a large amount of overhead for research. So one thing we have done to address this is that we have split up the research among us. So one person is researching the amount of force required to break stone. One person is researching how castles were made historically, what kind of forces keep a structure in place like that. That's the kind of things that we are looking into and researching, and to make sure that we are all kind of on the same page. We're sharing these resources we find on a Google Drive, and we put all of our information on this Google Drive, so that way everyone can access it at any time. Last thing we need to address is the milestones, if we are reaching the milestones or not. And the way we are addressing this is through the Scrum process. We're going to have a week where after the week of coding or research or whatever it is that we are working on for that week, we're going to review it and see, did we make the milestone? Do we fail? Do we fall short of the milestone? What we can do to make the next milestone. And that is our plan to deal with these risks.